In the previous lesson, the floor plan for our project was printed to a PDF file. The driver used to print the PDF file had optional content enabled, providing access to file and level information from within the printed PDF. In this lesson, we will view the PDF and the enhanced capabilities that were made available by enabling optional content. Utilizing a PDF viewer, we're going to continue in the floor plan PDF file. When the sheet model was printed, a pen table was applied containing text substitutions. Text substitutions are performed only at print time. When text substitutions are performed, the text must be formatted to exactly match the text substitutions contained in the pen table, or the substitutions will not be performed. By placing these pieces of text in the sheet border that is referenced to the sheet models for the project, each sheet will have an accurate date and timestamp applied when prints are generated. We will now review the date and timestamp in the printed PDF. In the PDF viewer, let's now zoom to the lower left corner of the sheet as shown. It is here that we're going to review the text substitutions in the PDF. Text substitutions are clearly visible. Each time a print is generated, the current date and time are applied through the text substitutions located in the design file. In the PDF viewer, we're now going to enable the display of layers. In a PDF, layers are equivalent to levels. In layers, we're now going to expand the layer tree structure. We can see all the levels used in the design, the levels in the active model being printed, and the levels in any attached reference files. The eye icon represents a displayed layer. No icon indicates that the layer is hidden or turned off. So let's take a few moments to examine the layer structure in the PDF, turning on and off the display of the layers. So now let's return back to MicroStation. And then we'll close the print dialog. During this lesson, you learned how to open a PDF generated by MicroStation, view text substitutions, and view optional content contained within the PDF.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.